Today we want to talk about getting a Twitter account. So I'm briefly going to run you through the ins and outs of adding the Twitter account and creating your profile as a business card. So we're going to try to do all this in less than 5 minutes. So we don't have an account, so I'm going to create an account, and I have a training account that I'm going to be using. So new learner is his name. And the email is okay, and the password all right. And so we've got we're joining Twitter. We've got our full name, our email address, we've got a username. So I'm going to stick with new learner because I think that's kind of a cool name. The username is available. We're not going to keep us signed in on that computer, and we will leave it to tailor Twitter based on my recent website visits, just so it can tend to recommend people for me to follow. Now I'm going to click create my account. Alright, so we do have to start by following 5 people, so I'm going to follow myself. And it says you have to pick 4 more people, so who else are we going to follow? Let's see if we can find Sir Ken Robinson. We'll follow him. We will follow Daniel Pink. Love me some Daniel Pink. I'm going to skip. And it says upload an image. Now I think this is a good idea to add. Remember, we're building this account as an educator, so I'm going to upload a quick image. I have one on my desktop that I've been using for this account. So it's I got math skills, JPEG. I'll upload this one. And the bio for this case, this is a test account to teach about PLNs and Twitter. So the bio and the image, you really want to set yourself up as somebody that should be followed. You want to explain how, what is your connection to Twitter, why you're using it, and this. So you would want to sell yourself as an educator, perhaps, or someone in a teacher education program. And so we're going to go ahead and finish that. We're going to click done. So now we have our account. We have our picture, and now it's saying let's get started. And what I see here now is that it's asking me to confirm my email address to access all of Twitter's features. So I should, if I click back here on my email, have an email from Twitter. So I'm going to confirm my account, which I have just done. So now we have confirmed our address, which is good because now we're going to unlock all of Twitter's features. I'm going to hit refresh here. So now I've got my account started. I'm following 10 people. I haven't tweeted yet. Notice based on who I followed in the past, it's making suggestions on who I might follow here. And then the next thing I want to show you real quick in this short introduction to Twitter is making sure that when someone clicks on our name, like I'm doing right here, that they'll start to see some information on us. So the way in which I'm going to do that, I am going over here, and where the gear is, you'll see the pen in the box, which tells us that's to compose a new tweet. It's the gear here. So if I click on that gear, I can go into settings. And settings is where I can go in and do all kinds of cool things. A couple places to be really aware of are the account area, where I could change my username. I could make sure my email is connected, language if I needed to do that. Under security and privacy, the only thing I want to really point out here is that we do not want to protect tweets. When you protect tweets, it means people cannot find you if they are not following you. And we want people to be able to find us if we're sharing to educational hashtags, etc. We can manage our passwords. You can manage, connect Twitter to your mobile device, where you can get text messages. Same with email. We can say send me email notifications when someone replies to me or sends me a direct message, etc. But it's a profile that I want to make sure you understand. Here is where I can go in and change the photo if I need to. I can add a really cool header to my account. I can make sure that my name is correct, the location, I can choose to use a location or not. And if you're an educator, this is awesome because you can connect your educator website here. And if you're one of my students, you should all have websites. And then in the bio, make sure this is your calling card. This is the place in which you identify yourself as an educator looking to connect and learn about whatever subject it is you're teaching. And then under the design aspect, here's where you could just mess around with the background of your Twitter account in general. You could go for a cool a dark theme or wherever it would be. So once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and click save the changes, and I think you're ready to go a little bit deeper. But now we have an account, we've got a background, and we are now an official Twitter user.